Self-watering 3D printed plant pot. Say that 3 times fast. Anyways, how it works, I'll show you. Underneath this, there's a reservoir, holds water. And you fill with this hole here. And it wicks up from the bottom from these holes into the soil. So I'll show you how you fill it up. You just put water in the hole. That should be enough. So that's a 3D printed self-watering pot for plants. Here's a better look. Thanks for joining me. Please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell for more videos.